How do I connect my wireless printer to my extender? 1. Plug in the extender, connect the extender to a power source, wait for it to start up completely. 2. Connect to extender network, use a computer or smartphone to connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. This network name is usually in the extender's manual or on a sticker. 3. Access configuration page, open a web browser and enter the extender's IP address, e.g., 192.168.1.1. Log in with the default username and password from the manual. 4. Run Setup Wizard, follow the on-screen instructions to start the Setup Wizard, select your home Wi-Fi network from the list provided. 5. Enter network password, input the password for your home Wi-Fi network, confirm and save the settings to connect the extender to your network. 6. Restart the extender. After configuration, the extender may need to restart, wait until it reconnects to your network. 7. Turn on the printer, ensure your printer is powered on and in range of the extender, access the printer's menu for wireless setup. 8. Connect printer to network, navigate to the printer's Wi-Fi settings and search for networks, select the SSID broadcasted by the extender and enter the network password. 9. Confirm printer connection, verify that the printer connects to the network via the extender, check the printer's control panel for connection status. 10. Install printer drivers. On your computer, go to Printer Scanners and select Add a printer. Follow the prompts to add your wireless printer, ensuring drivers are installed.